the two coilovers on both sides, see if they're the same. The fronts are going to be the same. Out of the bag, right?
Alright, real fast guys, this is the intercooler that comes on the version 3.4 GC8 STIs. The WRXs have a black intercooler. That's how you can instantly tell them apart if they're stock. And it has the classic metal Y-pipe that's underneath with the black hose and the red turbo elbow. So we're going to be installing Beatrush pitting control pad, part number S146010BC TAC AD. And this is for pretty much all Subarus with this 5 or 6 speed manual transmission. So while we're underneath here, for all you non-Subaru guys that are just getting into the GC8s, you have your slave cylinder for manual transmissions located right here with your hydraulic hose that goes to the hard line for your clutch system. Your oxygen sensor is located right here on the front pipe. Also, this is the 5-speed manual transmission dipstick that's located right here. And your starter is located right here that I had in a previous video. And your grounding for your battery.
Is the car wash free? It's not much though. Wait. Fuck yeah, dude. My wheels don't look like shit. I'm trying to think of what thing that is fuck, dude. That would definitely what I would get.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys this being flexed and showing you that it is worn down. So in order to test your wishbone or pitch stopper, what you want to do to test it is you're going to take 2 screwdrivers and see how much flex there is. Yes, this is completely worn down. See how they're perfectly straight? And I can cross them like that. So that is an indication that this pitch stopper needs to be replaced.
Yeah, this side only had a 1 washer.
So we're going to torque the pitch stopper. The front bolt that goes to the engine casing is going to be 37 foot-pounds, and the rear that goes to the firewall is going to be torqued to 43 foot-pounds.
No. Yeah, I don't have the tools to do it. Chip the base? Yeah. I was going to do it. Well, because he moved to Italy.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, like a couple months ago. And then that didn't work out for him, so he moved to Germany immediately thereafter. Probably
probably not going to be the amount of money you're happy with.
Pretty. They don't look that great. The brakes, you mean the rotors? The rotors? Get the tension off of it.
Thank you all for watching the video on me changing out the pitch stopper on my GC8, GF8 Subaru Impreza. Arigatou gozaimasu.